Welcome to Jumpseat Therapy. This mindfulness exercise is called grounding through breathing. In this practice, we will manipulate our breathing patterns to calm our nervous system. The way we breathe can affect our engagement with the environment. When we breathe through our chest, high up and shallow, we signal our nervous system to be on alert. The rest of our body follows suit with a heightened sense of awareness to our environment. It is preparing for action. In contrast, when we breathe deep into our belly, we signal our nervous system to slow down. We are safe. For this exercise, we will be using our breath to calm down. To begin, rate your tension from 1 to 10, with 10 being the most tense. Next, breathe in through your nose to a count of 5. Be sure to breathe deep down into your belly. Now, hold your breath for a count of 4. Next, breathe out through your mouth for a count of 7. Be sure to let all the air out of your lungs. Now, hold your breath for a count of 4. Repeat this 5, 4, 7, 4 pattern for a few rounds and then rescore your tension from 1 to 10. If your tension is still too high for your liking, repeat the exercise until you feel relaxed and grounded. Congratulations! You have completed this mindfulness exercise from Jumpseat Therapy.